Welcome back to Chef Satt, the show where, we have no idea what we're doing still. My name is Elijah.
My name is Noah.
And we're here to give you the chillest version of Chef Satt known to man. It's 12:01 on a Tuesday night, and we're making apple cider margaritas.
Oh, is that what we're doing?
I told you this.
You did tell me that, and I completely forgot.
I made this apple cider margarita for a dinner party. It ended up all over me a few times because I kept forgetting to hold the top of the shaker. I have maybe 1/2 of the ingredients here now. This is the most important. This is the second most important. The crappiest tequila on the face of the earth.
Oh, good.
The third most important. The crappiest triple sec on the earth. A singular lime. I sat on it for a week. A singular apple. I also sat on it for a week. I sat on it so that it can become a beautiful butterfly. We're also going to be talking, just chatting, just shooting the breeze.
This is gonna go great.
It's going to be wonderful. Let's make a drink. This is from Half Baked Harvest, by the way. Shout out to you. I think we made a recipe from you once before. First off is to get your shaker.
While you're making the drink, I should ask you some questions.
Sure. Fire away.
How many squares of toilet paper do you use when you poop?
4 to 5. Very specifically. Because, here we go. 4. Okay. It depends on the ply, and it depends on the poop. 1 ply, I'm using the dang roll. Hardcore, like 3 ply. Don't know if that exists, but like 3 ply, that's specifically 4. And go down the line, and then it's fold.
We have like good ply at my house because I won't allow us to not have good ply at my house. So I use 3. And I fold it once, and I use it, and then I move on to the next 3. I'll tell you this, you remember the group that we used to hang out with?
Which one? There's
when
been
we all
many.
lived together at their house.
Yes.
I had purchased them an air conditioner because they needed one, and I was also severely crushing on one of the girls that lived there. And then I also additionally, because it made me viscerally angry that they had single-ply toilet paper, I bought them an entire, I don't know how many they come with, like 12 to 15 rolls of toilet paper, whatever the big bundle you can get is. I'm like, I'm gonna be taking poops here. I'm gonna need you guys to
be here.
Facilitate, you know? It's like a Starbucks bathroom, you know? It's gotta be nice.
Gotta be nice. They never are, though.
They never are.
Target bathrooms are nice. I haven't had a bad experience yet, and I work there. There's so many things you guys don't know. Life flies when you're not having fun.
In the last 6 months.
There's been a hot amount. Let's rock around back and forth.
I'm a bartender now. Secularly. That's what I do for work.
I've been doing a merchandising job since July, but as of yesterday, I got made supervisor. Yeah, so that's been pretty new, pretty awesome.
I have been doing a lot better mentally. My mental health has been getting to where it needs to be thanks to medication. It's been a journey this year, but things are, I think, looking better. Feels like it, at least, so that's good.
I'm engaged to someone that you guys know. We did the Banh Mi episode together.
What is a food that you would eat out of the trash?
Out of the trash?
Out of the trash.
Oh man, I feel like there's been so many movies that have made me want to do this. I feel like if I found a good Burger King Whopper. What food would you add to the garbage?
Probably like a crab rangoon.
Oh,
it didn't even need to be wrapped.
It's already wrapped.
It's already wrapped in
delicious,
beautiful puff pastry. How many fruits and veggies have you eaten so far today?
Today?
Yes.
I never remember.
Woke up, took a dump, got out of bed, went to the bathroom.
Absolutely none.
None.
Oh, wow. I had a sausage, egg, and cheese for breakfast with a cookie, coffee, and then I had 4 Wingstop tenders for lunch. I'm the pinnacle of health.
I think that question is so good because it really puts into perspective how healthy your diet is.
If I didn't really want to bake a sausage, egg, and cheese when I woke up this morning, my usual go-to is yogurt, milk, frozen like blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries as a smoothie. I do eat well.
Just depends on the day.
Just depends on the day.
Some days are just not a fruit vegetable to cut.
Exactly.
I feel that.
I also went to the gym yesterday. I did not go today.
Hamster.
If you could be any animal for a day, what would you be?
I would love to be like a cuttlefish. Just to like experience what it's like to just live in whimsy.
I've been really thinking about bears recently. I've been liking them. Just the thought of just like chilling, being fluffy, like eating salmon and berries all day, and then sleeping for like months. Ugh.
It's the life.
This trick is taking far longer, but I'm enjoying the art.
Yeah, we're not in a rush. What, in your opinion, is the worst smell?
Any dog poop.
Along those lines, I think the smell of wet dog is rough. And sometimes when you have an old sponge and you wash something with it, it leaves the smell of wet dog on your dishes.
I'm just gonna... Okay, it's time to shake. Shake, shake, Sonora. Did I mention this was $8? Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Poke.
You're welcome. The apple cider margarita. Cheers. Right there.
Almost went down the wrong pipe.
Oh no.
Almost. It's very good. Yeah. A lot.
It would be. I feel like it would also be good hot. Like I feel like you could warm it up, and be like a little bit of a hot toddy.
Yeah.
Who would be your dream dinner guest? And then what would you cook for them?
I would have Doja Cat over, and I would make her a burger. I feel like there's a video of her eating like a cheeseburger and talking about vegans.
What do you like about your favorite color?
People will give me guff every time I say this because they're like, it's not really a color. I like white.
That's a color.
Thank you.
It's hardcore color.
Yeah, I think I just like how clean it is. I like things that are white and like, I like cream color too. Like a very light and like cream. What about you?
I love green. My favorite color has changed 3 times in my life. When I was a kid, it was yellow.
Really?
When I was like 8 or 9, it became red. That one stuck probably for at least 11 years until I was like 20-ish. And then more recently, green. I just love how like welcoming that color feels. Like anywhere you go, anywhere you are, it's like if there's green there, it feels like home. Mm-hmm. I've always loved that, like the forest, like just going into the forest when it's like during summertime, or like the deep green forest of like the West Coast or something like that. Thanks for coming through after work.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thanks for having me and making me a delicious cocktail.
Absolutely.
Man. Came out really good.
Thank you, Half Baked Harvest, for the recipe. We didn't say it earlier. We gotta say it. So without further ado, let us chef. I looked at you, looked at the camera, let's try that again. So without further ado, let us chef.
Now I looked at you.
You know what? We're a match made in heaven. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Have a great night. Did we say anything when we outro? I can't remember. Yes. Bon appetit. camera died.
Bone apple teeth.